Our deck box needed to be replaced. We needed to remove the planter on the patio. I had to wash the patio. Materials are listed in the end, but this literally took me about 5 minutes from start to finish to build, and the only thing I had to purchase were the 2 cement blocks, which were $2.18 each. Great project, holds a quarter quart of wood. Enjoy. This is all just using scrap. I had 2 4-foot pieces. I had an 8-foot piece cut it in half. I had 2 5-foot pieces of cedar and one that was just a little shorter than 5 feet, which will actually look pretty nice when it comes down to it, so it won't be sticking out. Now, time to put the wood on. Then we had to buy firewood. Tesla Model Y is a perfect hatchback for hauling firewood.